Welcome back to another episode. We have made our way to the local bin spot to drop off some rubbish, and a massive rain front has come in, and I think it's going to be raining all day today. So we are going to drive a couple of hours east to Bremer Bay to check out Bremer Bay and hopefully get out of the rain. I think there'll still be a bit of rain there, but anyway, come with us and we'll check out Bremer Bay. One of our favourite things to do when we go check out new towns is visit the local op shops. So we've made it to Bremer Bay, and here is the Pelican op shop, right? And it's only open on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So Abby's taken Rocky in to go look for some new toys. But yeah, how good, we didn't even check to see when it was open, and it happens to be open today, so how good. Hopefully they find some toys. But not that like they need any more, they've got plenty of toys, but everyone loves new toys, don't they? So did you get anything?
I didn't, but the boys did. They got some pretty cool toys.
What'd you get, Rock? Show us. Oh, that's a pretty cool mask.
We got these ones too. I couldn't help myself. I got the whale shark.
A whale
Very
shark.
Cute.
So if you didn't know, Bremer Bay is not actually on the ocean, or kinda, not really. Yeah, it's on this like inlet thingy, and then if you wanted to launch your boat into the ocean, you gotta drive like around. We'll probably go down the way back to check it out. But anyway, we gotta go find somewhere for lunch now.
Something for lunch now.
How nice.
Yep.
Have been cooped up for a few hours trying to get here. Look at them. As soon as they got out the car, they went straight for the puddles. Good fun. Isn't it fun being a kid? You know what happened as soon as I got him out the car? He went straight to that massive puddle right there. And yeah, pretty much like this. Smack. Oh, his teeth gonna fall over soon. See, Dad? Just like that. So close to stacking it. It's okay, everyone. We did bring spare clothes. We were planning for this.
Mom!
Yeah. Planning for this happiness. Oh no, we're not gonna. Mum's. You're all wet.
I do.
You want to go on the puddle, Dad?
No, that's right, I'll watch you do it.
You want to get your boy, brother?
Oh, careful.
Oh, careful, Hunter.
Whoa, that was close.
He was just trying to sit next to you, Rock. That's okay.
But,
Yeah, you're wet. You stand up.
So we are now down at Fisheries Beach. I think it's called Fisheries Beach. Anyway, there's a boat ramp here and a couple of big boats sitting in the little like marina here. But it's really not a great day. As you can see, I've got my big jacket on, mate, like it is cold. But have a look at that. And even just the colour of that water there is now, this thing would be amazing on a good day. On a warm, sunny day with no wind, I can see this place going off. The toilet, there's a toilet block here, mate, and that is flash, like big flash toilet block. And there's even a fish cleaning station over near the car park for the boat ramp, which I think is always good too, because especially for people who are traveling, don't need to then take the fish back to the caravan park, which most caravan parks won't actually let you clean the fish there. And yeah, just make it so much easier. But anyway, gonna see if these boys want to finish up in the puddles and we go down and check the beach out.
Hold on, everyone. Check out and see what Hunter's doing. Oh,
I missed it.
He's up now. He was just sitting in the puddle.
Not in my puddle.
That's alright, Rocky. You can get another puddle. Probably just the water. The pastry might be waterproof.
Careful, you're gonna fall down those steps. Yeah, I'll hold your hand.
Hunter, where's Rocky?
Where's Rocky, Hunter?
He's down there.
Where's Rocky?
In the tree! Found you! Found you, found you, found you, found you! Reggie! Oh, he's hiding. Whoa! Uh-oh, lost your hood.
Half thought about doing a bit of fishing while we're here. Because like, why not? But then realised halfway here that the fishing gear wasn't actually in the car and I left it in the boat, still back home.
Oh dear.
So we're just here enjoying the beach this time, not even going to do any fishing. So we'll have to come back.
When it's nice the weather and not raining.
Oh look, a seal! Abby, look at the school of fish right here, he's chasing.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's some good sized fish too, well, for a small fish.
For a seal? Can you see the seal? Wow. Don't you wish you brought a fishing gear now?
Can you see that in the camera? A school of fish? Ooh. That's cool, eh? Just teasing us. Just teasing us because we didn't. Oh, can you see us? There's a bit of water on that lens. Just teasing us because we didn't bring the fishing gear. Always the way, mate. Always the way. Always gotta have fishing gear in the car. I got it!
Mommy.
So what do we think of Bremer Bay?
Wet. That was really cool. Really, I can definitely see us coming back here when it's nice weather.
Not what I was expecting. I was expecting like a bigger coastal town, but it was
Yeah.
quite small. Like I was expecting sort of a main street with like little shops and that. But yeah, it was nice. It was nice down at this Fisheries Beach because it's like a nice beach with a bit of like a marina type thing, and there was a couple of big boats out there, and it's protected from the wind, so it's actually quite nice and calm, really.
And we saw a seal. That was really cool.
Yeah,
Chasing fish.
That's the best part. Like
That was awesome.
you can't plan for that, and there was this big school of fish. It was chasing around. It was killer.
It's just too bad we didn't bring rods.
Anyway, the boys have all got dry and clean clothes on, and then we're gonna make the 2-hour trek back to Albany.
And fingers crossed for us. Let's hope they sleep on the way.
And if you see Rocky drinking a Red Bull behind me, it's not actually a Red Bull. We just use it as a cup.
They find it's their special drink. It's not very special.
Anyway, catch up. Righto, episode 1 of What Do We Get Up To Without Mum, and we are at the boat ramp with the tinny, and we are going to go stick the tinny in and see if we can get some squid. Let's have a look, eh? And we're away. Right over there, there's a ship. And a guy I just met at the servo just then said if I go over to that ship and just sit the other side of it, I should be able to get some squid. So that's what we're gonna do, isn't it, boys? Hey? Look at the day though, mate. It's like middle of winter, dead calm, flat, sun's out. How good? So we found our spot. Looks pretty weedy here. And there's the big ship. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, very big.
So we're gonna flick some squid jags out around here and see if we can get anything. Is that right, boys?
Yeah. Dad, is that an old pirate ship?
It might be an old pirate ship. I think it's an old whaling ship.
What?
I think it's an old whaling ship.
Dad, go. No, I went down. Oh, Daddy. One more left, Santa. And this one's for me.
We've been sitting here for a while now. We got nibbles once, didn't we?
Yeah.
So I've got a few squid jags out. Like I've been flicking one and one on a float, and then I've got a bait on the bottom. Oh no. Yeah, I got a bait on the bottom, and then I've got a float just over here. Just where is it?
There.
Somewhere there. Anyway, and it was bobbing in the last, like, for a little while, and then nothing, and we haven't had anything for a while now. No bites, no nothing. So
Rocky,
yeah, that's right. Such a nice day, eh? Like, oh, it's just perfect. Dead calm.
That was yummy,
There's
Dad.
a lot of boats out, isn't there?
There's a lot of yummy.
A lot of yummy.
Mhm.
There's a lot of boats out though, isn't there?
Yeah.
A lot of
And
people.
Mike, can I see you?
What do you mean?
You can see me.
Yeah. so no luck today, but I did notice when I was launching it that my screw part of the shackle came out, obviously on the road drive here, which was not good. Anyway, I found a bolt in the back of the ute to put in for that shackle, so I have to get a new one of them now. Just like that, we are back on, pitched up, done. How good. All finished. Do we have fun, boys?
Yeah.
Do we like going out on the boat?
Mm-hmm.
All right.